Good morning. I've been having more and more conversations with homeowners who never planned on becoming landlords. But here's the twist: it might actually be the smartest move they can make right now. Sometimes the home didn't sell as expected. Sometimes a relocation came up. Sometimes the timing just felt wrong, and nobody wants to make a rushed decision. What I'm seeing over and over again is this: renting isn't a setback. It's often a short term or even long term strategy to create income, or at least cover the mortgage while you figure out your next move. The challenge is that most homeowners don't really know what renting involves. Pricing feels unclear, timelines feel fuzzy, and self managing gets overwhelming fast. And when that happens, the stress doesn't just hit the owner, it can spill right back into the realtor relationship too. So if you're in a spot where your property hasn't sold and you need a better plan than hope and wait, let's talk. There is a strategy that works, and I can help you put it in place. Call me 901 290 0879.